I have included one final tool for you. Though it's not required, it is an option for you to use during the length of this course. And moving into future courses, you might find it would be helpful to you as well. It's called Coursesites Live. This is a live chat room, so to speak. It's designed to be an online collaboration tool. You may find at some point you want to communicate synchronously with me or one of your classmates. This is an option that you can use to do so. There's lots of other free options out there in the world, such as Skype, but I thought something that is available to you directly through the classroom would be a viable option for a lot of students. So go ahead and click on Tools over here on the left-hand side, navigation bar, and you will see a list of tools that are available to you. Go ahead and click on Coursesites Live. You'll see a short explanation about what Coursesites Live offers. Like I said, it offers chat, voice over the internet, application sharing, and a whiteboard. And we can have up to 50 total participants in a Coursesites Live session at a time. So you'll have to click relaunch, and then more than likely you're going to have to download the launcher. So go ahead and select on whichever operating system you have, click on download, and you're going to click on run, and we'll wait for just a moment while it's running. As we're running the installer, there's about 25 seconds left in order to do that. And then we're going to go ahead and click on join to launch the session once we have run the installer. We have about 15 seconds left. And I will give you an opportunity during the course to play around with some of the tools. Actually, something that you should do. Spend quite a bit of time looking at the different tools and practicing with them so that once you're in the course itself, you're not having to worry about actually using the tools. More, you can focus on the content. So once the launcher setup wizard starts, go ahead and click on next. Go ahead and click on install. And just know this may take a couple of minutes. This is the setup wizard. It's actually going to install the Blackboard Collaborate launcher. This may take a few minutes. You'll see that there is a status bar. So you can see as the installation progresses. We are just about there, and we can now click on finish. And now that we've finished, we can go ahead and click on join. And it's telling us to go ahead and click on open so we can join the session. And it's starting the application now. And we do want to run this application. And we're going to accept the terms and conditions. And we're going to allow access. And just select your connection speed. I'm using cable. And this is what the Coursesites Live looks like. So you'll see over here on the left-hand side that there's an option to use video. You can just talk. You can just use chat. Down here you'll see that there's a chat feature. I'm going to say hello. I'm the only one in the room at this time. We joined the room, as you can see. This is the main room. And then you'll see an opportunity over here to point at things. You can actually draw around things. You can enter text on the page. These are all your tools over here. You can capture the screen, place a clip. You can load content. It has the ability for you to record. If I wanted to meet with a group of students here and then record the session and post it within the class later on, I can certainly do that. There's lots of options here to share screens. There's a whiteboard I could be conducting, which is what we're on now. I could be conducting a tutoring session, potentially on how to document resources in APA format, whatever I deem necessary to reach out to a group of students at a time or work one-on-one with a student as well. So take some time to navigate your way through this particular tool. There are lots of options that you have access to. Again, this is not a required tool that you use, but if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're working in a group, this might be something that could be helpful to you.